Hi everyone, how are you? Find out now how to change your display name on Roblox without waiting 7 days. The first way to do this is to click on your name. To change your name, you can click on this pencil or click on Edit Profile. And here, you can change your username or display name. Just click on it. Finally, type your new name and click Save. Now I'm going to show you the second way to do this. So now press the More option. Go to Settings. Click on Account Info. Here you will find your display name and username. Click on the first option to change the display name. Finally, change your name. Click Save. Okay guys, we changed the name. Attention! If you have changed your name recently, this notice will appear. To change your current name before 7 days, simply enter your username. Set your display name to the same as your username. By doing this, you can change the name without waiting 7 days. Now, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your smartphone. So now press the More option. Go to Settings. Click on Account Info. Click on the first option to change the display name. Finally, change your name. Click Save. That's it guys, I hope I helped. Leave your like, subscribe, and activate the bell. Thank you, and see you next time.